The eclipse is so bright, I gotta wear shades. I can't see you. Because I'm out here watching the beginning of the eclipse. It hasn't reached totality yet, but I want to talk a little bit about my stupid expectations. So I didn't really care about watching this. I wasn't going to. In fact, I was working and I had no way of getting any kind of glasses or making a pinhole thing or whatever. I wasn't even going to leave work. But then someone down the street said that the Clark Planetarium in downtown Salt Lake at the Gateway had gotten a new shipment of these this morning. So I went down and for $2 picked up a stylish pair of Eclipse safe glasses. And I'm looking at the eclipse. Now it doesn't show up on camera because it's still really, really bright, way too bright. But I want to talk briefly about maybe being stupid, right? I didn't buy into the hype, and anytime that happens with movies or with books or even with this eclipse, too many people were talking about it, and that turned me off to the idea. The more people that are excited about something, the more people that talk about something, the less excited I am. So I resisted the hype. I remember seeing one of these, a near totality in Colorado in like 1992 or 93 or something when I was a little kid. And even at that point I was like, it was okay, it was kind of cool. But I resisted and resisted and resisted, and then finally this morning, with all the discussion on the news and with the fact that I was able to get some, I had no excuses and I had to check it out. And you know what? I'm doing it over my glasses so I can actually see it. But you know what? It's worth it. So sometimes it's right not to follow the crowd, but sometimes it's just stupid not to follow the crowd. And this is one of those times. This is a once-in-a-lifetime thing. So you still have a few minutes as of the time of the filming of this video to check out the eclipse. Go do it if you have a means to do so safely. And if you don't, but you want to catch another one, this time you only have to wait 7 years, because in 2024, anywhere between like Texas and the Northeast, you'll be able to see one too. And more broadly speaking, don't be resistant to something that's legitimately cool, okay? Celestial events like this, pretty awesome. That's about half covered. Okay, subscribe to this channel by clicking over here, and check out the other videos I've made by clicking over here, but not until after the eclipse. And what do you think? In the comments below, is there something that you have treated like a fad that was legitimately cool and then you missed out on it? Don't let this be one of those things. Thanks.